Darian News channel, and here are the big stories of the day. TechCrunch Disrupt 2025. Early bird discount ends soon. Time is running out to save big on tickets to TechCrunch Disrupt 2025. Right now, early bird pricing can save you up to $900, but only for a limited time. Disrupt is where startups, investors, and tech giants collide. If you're planning to go, now's the time to act. Prices are going up soon. Don't miss your chance. Ex Siri head bagged Google Gemini over ChatGPT. A former Siri executive reportedly urged Apple to choose Google's Gemini AI instead of ChatGPT. According to internal sources, they believed Gemini had stronger capabilities and could better support Apple's voice assistant goals. This adds to speculation that Apple might be rethinking its AI partnerships as it works to upgrade Siri behind the scenes. Hackers earn over $1 million at Pwn to Own Berlin. At this year's Pwn to Own Berlin, hackers earned a whopping $1,078,000 for uncovering 28 zero-day vulnerabilities in major systems. The event is white hat hacking competition, where finding the flaws helps make everyone safer. And this year, the stakes and the payouts were higher than ever. Mozilla patches Firefox flaws after hacking contest. Following the discoveries of Own to Own, Mozilla has quickly patched critical Firefox 0 days. These flaws were shown live at the event and posed real threats. Mozilla's fast response is a reminder. Always keep your browser updated, especially after major security events. UK Legal Aid Agency confirms data breach. The UK's Legal Aid Agency has confirmed a data breach involving sensitive applicant information. The cyber attack exposed private records, though the full extent is still under investigation. Authorities are working to notify those affected and tighten security going forward. Seagate says HDDs have lower carbon footprint than SSDs. In an unexpected twist, Seagate claims traditional hard drives, yes, the spinning disks, have a smaller carbon footprint than SSDs. They say that over time, SSDs may use less energy during manufacturing and operation. It's a surprising claim and is sparking new debate over sustainability in tech. Paul Krugman warns of sadistic zombie economics. Economist Paul Krugman is sounding the alarm again in an op ed titled Attack of the Sadistic Zombies. He argues that outdated, harmful economic ideas just won't die and continue to shape policy in ways that hurt ordinary people. His message: some economic beliefs are too wrong and too dangerous to ignore. Claw PDF, a free, powerful PDF printer with OCR. Meet Claw PDF, a new open source virtual PDF printer packed with features. It supports OCR, image conversion, and network printing, all in a lightweight, customizable package for Windows. For anyone tired of clunky or overpriced PDF tools, this one's worth a look. Windows 10 update causes recovery loop issues. Some Windows 10 users are reporting problems after the last update. The issue: systems getting stuck in recovery mode again and again. Microsoft is investigating and will likely issue a fix soon. Until then, if your system is stable, you may want to hold off on updating. Last OS adds neon style to Linux Mint. A bold new Linux distro has arrived and it's glowing neon. It's called Last OS and it's built on Linux Mint, but with flashy visuals and experimental features. One challenge: it dares you to run Photoshop through Wine, and it just might work. It's not your average distro, and that's the point. Blue Sky launches NBA playoffs feature to rival sports Twitter. Social network Blue Sky is stepping up with a new feature aimed at sports fans. During the NBA playoffs, users can follow games, join discussions, and stay updated all in one place. It's a direct play for the audience that once lived on sports Twitter, and it shows Blue Sky is serious about becoming the next big thing. Regeneron to buy 23andMe and genetic data for $256 million. Biotech giant Regeneron is buying 23andMe's genetic data business for $256 million. The deal gives Regeneron access to millions of DNA profiles, a treasure trove for medical research. But privacy advocates are raising concerns about how that data might be used. A big deal with even bigger implications. Nvidia expands across Taiwan's tech sector. Nvidia is making a major move in Asia, partnering with all major Taiwanese tech firms to roll out its software. The goal to solidify its place at the heart of the global AI industry. With Taiwan being a hardware powerhouse, this deal could reshape the future of AI infrastructure. Apple working to bring LLM Siri back on track. Apple is reportedly revamping Siri using large language model technology. Internal efforts aim to make Siri smarter, more neutral, and more useful. While progress has been slower than expected, Apple appears to be back on track. Expect to see a new kind of Siri in the near future, powered by AI. So that's all, folks, for now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned. Please share, subscribe, hit that bell icon.